Just got to the World Cup ski arena in Kitzbühel. I'm about to put on my skis, get ready for the big race. USA, USA, USA.
Final time. Second, Rang 2. 1:56,49, 156.40.
Who won, Ash? Third training result coming in live.
Johan Clary from France.
155.69, the record's 151. Set by yours truly, Lachlan Garuti.
No, it's not.
It is actually. I used to ski race before I became an electrician.
He's 55 seconds in front of everyone else. That's pretty quick. That's
0.55 of a second in front of everyone else.
So we climbed up this hill and now we gotta go down. This could be bad. We've seen some people fall.
This is Lachlan coming to you live from Kitzbühel. Today was a good training run. Had my third run on the Strike. Yeah, placed pretty well. And we're looking forward to tomorrow. The Super G's on. I'm going to be third in line because my time was so good. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be a good effort.
You love it so much. Stop.
Love isn't always. Good one, Ash. What's the plan today, Ash? What are we doing?
We're going climbing.
Going rock climbing. We can't go skiing today. The resort is partially closed and the weather's not great, so we'll wait for tomorrow. We're gonna miss the bus this time, Ash.
Hope not. God. We do every other day, so that wouldn't surprise me.
It's not happening today. Not missing the bus.
Going to Bastian's to get a big coffee before we go climbing.
How's the coffee?
It's good.
Nice.
Lockie has nodded me in, so hopefully I don't die.
Finally, after 2 months, we're getting buckets of snow. It is just unbelievable. 2 days and we finally get to go in it, into the mountains.
So we've just done something really dumb. We just got back to Tommy and we put our backpacks in, and the van has like auto lock and it's locked the keys inside. So we've had to call the locksmith and luckily he didn't take long.
Many times. Yeah. Bloody hell, this sucks. It's not a laughing matter.
You gotta laugh about it or you'll cry.
So they say.
I don't know the word for this in the inside.
Yeah.
Is it here in the front?
I think it's about there.
Ich probiere es jetzt einmal. Aber sonst melde mich nochmal, ja? Vielen Dank.
Oh, aren't you cold? Are you
Cold?
cold?
Oh, it's okay.
Go and sit in our cafe.
No, no, it's okay. Thank you though. Hello.
Hello.
Servus. Hallo. Super. Dankeschön. Vielen Dank. Now you can open. Also.
Yay. Thank you.
Alright, so after that and €190 we are back inside our van. Fortunately, yeah, that was our own mistake. Just want to say a big shout out and thank you for everyone for watching our vlog. If you haven't liked it, please like it if you did like it, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks guys.